Hello, everyone. My name is Missy. I'm a level 3 student with Dancing for Him Ministries. This is my dynamic diagramming for a choreographed solo dance. It's so important to use diagramming and to have a legend to follow along if you're going to be teaching a dance, also so that you can be able to show the different dance movements, have simple and easy instructions for others to follow along in case for any reason you can't teach the dance or someone just wants to learn it. It's very important to have this legend for them to follow along. So I'm going to share with you what each of these little symbols mean for the dance that I'm going to show you the diagramming of that's choreographed. First, we'll start with a heart, which will represent the dancer. The two squares with the orange lines going through them are representing the fire flags that will be used. RS will be for right stage, CS will be for center stage, and A will be for audience when the dancer is to go out into the audience. Continuing on, I will now share with you the flag movements. So this is a very simple dance with a lot of the same words being used over and over. So the movements are very simple. I just wanted to be able to show a very simple flag movement dance. So the song is Set a Fire. So when you roll for fire with the flags, you will see the symbol that is a purple circle. To use the flags overhead, we'll be using this little blue box with a little sunshine in the middle of it. When crisscrossing the flags for anything, any kind of crisscrossing at all in the song, there is a purple X. And then for holding the flags out and straight up, it's a green arrow. And tapping left to right, the sign that we use for Jesus, is a plus sign that is in brown with two arrows, one on each side. These are the symbols of the flag movements for this dance. Again, the dance is called Set a Fire. With Set a Fire, it's, again, very simple. So I'm going to show you. I just made a square with 4 separate sections. There's section 1. You can see in the middle, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you start from the top, number 1, the dancer is going to enter as the music starts. There's about 16 counts of 8. There's about enough music for the dancer to walk in from entering from the right side of the stage, as you can see there. She'll be entering with her flags, and her flags will be straight up as she kind of does that marching into the congregation. And then if we go to the second screen, as the song begins to play, it says, "Set a fire down in my soul." And so the dancer will be marching to center stage. And as the song starts, "Set a fire into my soul," as you can see next to the two red flags, the first set of flags is a purple circle, which means to roll the flags. Then as the song goes on, "I can't contain, I can't control, I want more of you, God, I want more of you, God." We move down to the second set of flags, which means the dancer will then begin to take the flags and wave them over her head. So she'll begin waving them over her head. And then the next set, again, it says, "Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, I can't control." And the X is for crisscrossing, as the dancer will begin crisscrossing there's a part in there that says, there's no place I'd rather be but here in your love. So she will be crisscrossing for love at that point. And then as we go to the third square, the dancer is still in center stage. The majority of the dance is in center stage. The flags again, she's holding the flags. There's a part after it says, I want more of you, God. The dance says Jesus. And so we'll make the sign for Jesus, the flag sign. So there you see the tap left, tap right, has the brown arrows with the plus sign in the middle. Then, as you see on the bottom there, it says repeat frame 2. So as the song repeats, the dancer will then again set a fire down in my soul. She will roll. As you can see, she'll just go over that same frame again. So you've got the purple there for roll, and then the box that's blue with the sunshine in it as the song sings, I want more of you, God. The flags will go overhead and then crisscrossing that I can't contain and I can't control. So then we move into, after we repeat that frame 2, we move into frame 4. Then the last section of the song starts. Well, there's 2 portions. It gives the dancer enough time to go out into the audience. So again, you can see the heart symbol for audience. The dancer will go off of the stage as she's waving her flags. You can see there's a box with the sunshine in it. So she will be waving flags overhead of the audience as she is asking God to set a fire down in their souls. She's praying and praying for God to set a fire down in each one of their souls. After that, the dancer will begin as the music is slowly going. It just repeats itself. Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, that I can't control, because I want more of you, God. I want more of you, God. So it just keeps going on and on. And she will just go through each of the audience members and then exit out of the back. Thank you so much for watching this with me. And remember to keep dancing for him. And where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. God bless you.